Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to use VLOOKUP formula. In Excel, VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is called vertical lookup because it searches for a value in the column of the table, that is called vertically, and then returns a value in the same row from a specified column in the table. Essentially, it is used to look up data in a vertical manner based on a matching key. Okay, let us understand this. And this is the score of the students. Okay, this is the score of the students and this is their grades, and we want to here automate this process. Suppose I will write 0.7 or 0.8, so the automatically this grade should appear. Okay, how we can do it? So we can write equal to then VLOOKUP. Okay, then it is a lookup value. Lookup value is this, that means we are looking value for this. Okay, then value means grade for this. Okay, then comma, then table array. This is the table we can use. This is the table array. Then we have comma, then column index number. What is the column index number? You can see this. We have two column. One is B and C. There is no data here. A we have not taken. So this B column is column number 1. C column is column number 2. So we are looking for the result from this second column. That means we can write here 2. Then comma. What do we want? We want exact match or approximate match? Exact match, because 8 is available, 0.8 is available. Therefore, you can this exact match we can write. Okay. Then we can close the bracket. Hit enter. We are getting B grade. Suppose I write here like 6, it will automatically change to D. Suppose I write it is 9, it will automatically change. But what if suppose somebody has scored like 8.2, sorry, 0.82? So for that, what we need to do, we have to change it. So what we have written, you can see. So we are looking for here exact match. Exact match is 9. So we'll suppose we'll look for approximate match. Let us see. It will write true. So you see it is A grade. Okay. Suppose somebody will write like somebody will get 0.62. You see that means closest lowest number or the score it will that relate. Okay, that is D means it is close to 0.6. Even if we write also 6.9, it will not make it 7. Okay, lowest grade. Okay, lowest number it will relate. So similarly we can also do this. We have done this that by using approximate match, and both we have seen also, like exact match and the approximate match we have seen. So exact match means exact score we are looking from this table. So approximate means it will relate to the lowest closest mark. Okay, so here let us see this. This is another table we can also see. Okay, so this is product number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is their price. We want to find the product price of the product number 4 equal to VLOOKUP. So this is the lookup value because we are looking for the price of product number 4, then comma, then table arrow. We have to select the table, then comma, then column index. This is the 1, column number 1. This is the 2. We want the answer from the second column. Okay, then comma, then we can go for the exact match because exact match is possible here. Okay, so this is how we can make it. So we have got this simple. We can also write it as a currency. We'll get it. Okay, so we can see this also. There is another. We can also check. So this tells about, this is the data. Okay, And it tells about, suppose you are you are a student and you are returning your books to the library, and not within the stipulated time that you have been given, you are not using, but rather you are using your books late. Okay, so suppose you have got, suppose take for example, let us make it one day late. So you 1 to 29 days you will be given that 1% fine. If it exceeds 30 to 59 days, you have to pay something 2% of the fine, 2% of this, okay, 500. Then if it is like 61 to 89, okay, you have to pay this. Then after that 5% fee you have to, 5% late charge you have to pay. In that case, what you have to do? You can late charge. So how to calculate late charge? You can write here equal to, okay, equal to, then you have to, this is the day, for the number of days, we are number of days 89. Suppose assuming that you are returning the, or the student is returning the date, the book with 89 days, okay, then we can write VLOOKUP. Okay, then we have the lookup value, this is 89 days, then comma, then tabular array we can take, okay, table array. Then we want the value from this column, that is called 2, then comma, we can go for, we can select approximate match, because this exactly 89 is not there in the table, close to that, then we can close it. So how much it is, we can make it, you can make it as INR, okay. So we have to pay this much, okay. Okay, so what we can do, what exactly this value is, okay. 0.3, that means we have got the, this is as not this is percentage, sorry, this is percentage, because we have got the percentage here, this is a percentage, okay, not charge. We want to convert this into the how much fee it is, that means the person is liable for 3%. You see 89 is in between 60 to 90, this is 3%, okay. So we want to convert this into fee, okay. Then what we can do, simple, we can calculate this 500 into 3%, this. So we will get the exact fee, that is 15 rupees as late fee the student has to pay to the library. Understood? And if you can calculate that like this. Okay. So then we have also another, like suppose there is a sales data here. Okay, this is sales data. A salesman is, if salesman is selling up to or 2,500, he will get 2% of the commissions. 2,500 to 4,999, 2%. Then 5,000 to 7,499, 4%. Then accordingly we have the this. So how we can do it? So how much, suppose for this, a salesman has made the sales for this, okay. So this is the figure for this amount of sales, okay, this rupees, how much commission the person is liable to get, or the person is that deserving, okay. You can also use this VLOOKUP. We are looking for this, okay, then comma, we can select the table, comma, okay, then we are looking uh, the value or the result from this column, that is called 2. Then what we are looking for, it is for approximate match. Why approximate match? Because this exact value is not there in the table. Then we can close the bracket. So 5%. Okay. And 5% commission is 5%. Then how much the commission the person deserves? Okay. Equal to, we can say, so 5% of this value. Okay. We can have this into 5%. So this is the price the person deserve to get as part of commissions. Okay, this is how we can use VLOOKUP formula. Basically, VLOOKUP formula we use in that case where we want to look for certain things and the result is there in the correspondence that row. Okay, it searches for a value in the first column of the table, that is called vertically. Then it returns a value in the same row from a specified column in the table. Okay. That's for the lesson. I'll see you in the next one.